Are you looking for the best laser level for homeowner in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best laser level for homeowner that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Engi Dot self-leveling laser level. This is a powerful red laser level that is great for your indoor installations, though they also have options with green lasers. The green laser option is best suited for outdoor purposes. The smart pendulum feature makes it excel at top versatility. You can switch on the device through the power button or search inside the smart pendulum to turn on the laser beam. When it is a 4-degree angle from the project site, it can provide an auto level. It indicates when it finds itself out of the right range. You can activate the manual mode when you lock the pendulum. Other angle alignments can only be possible when the lines are locked. It shows you that the Engi Dot self-leveling laser level 50 feet has all it takes when it comes to ensuring your product has the best alignment. It can be easily mounted anywhere. It doesn't matter if it's on a wall or a tripod. You can also be guaranteed a 360-degree leveling with the laser level. When you use this laser level, you'll discover that the device is easy to use and user-friendly when used on site. It is compact, which is gripping, and handling during projects is done easily. Up next in the 4th place is the Rockseed 100 feet cross-line laser. When you purchase the laser level, Rockseed 50 feet cross-line laser with self-leveling, you will get access to every accessory needed to operate the device. It also has an AA battery and a pouch to carry the device. You can use the laser level Rockseed 50 feet cross-line laser with self-leveling in a self-leveling mode or a locked mode for cross-lining beams. It has a 50 feet range that comes with a detector. The self-leveling design is very great. It has a user manual for those who are new to operating the device. There's also a 2-year warranty that accompanies the laser level Rockseed 50 feet cross-line laser with self-leveling. You can make use of the device for various projects. The 3rd product on our list is the dewalt line laser. The dewalt line laser makes our list of best laser level for homeowner 2022 thanks to the fact that it can provide various horizontal and vertical lines required for various projects. The device also comes with a Class 2 laser that has excellent visibility. You can see the laser clearly through any condition you find yourself in during a project. It delivers a high accuracy of 1/4 inches away from 100 feet. Second on our list is the Bosch GLM20 Blaze 65 feet laser distance measure. The Bosch GLM20 Blaze 65 feet laser comes with a different move introduced by Tavule. It's one of the best laser levels for measuring distance that is available in the market today. It can produce a high and exceptional accuracy of about 196 feet, though it can produce an accuracy level higher than 196 feet, but that's the most effective rating stated by Bosch. The Pythagorean modes and volume features are available for users to utilize and get acquainted with the device. There is also the provision of an internal memory that enables the user to save all their measurements. The brightly lit up LCD screen enables you to see everything action you carry out when using the device. You can't make use of the Bosch GLM20 Blaze 65 feet laser in every project, though, because it has a bulky size, unlike any other options on this list that is lightweight. However, the weight of the Bosch GLM20 Blaze 65 feet laser is 7.4 ounces, so it doesn't translate to having tired hands when holding it up. It comes with waterproof and dustproof features. It also features subtraction and addition modes. The automatic power off feature is also available to ensure that you can conserve the battery life of the device. The Bosch GLM20 Blaze 65 feet laser is a budget-friendly laser level option for every homeowner, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. Finally, the top product on our list is the Tavule self-leveling laser level. If you're the type who's always concerned about vertical and horizontal hanging when decorating your home, the self-leveling laser level 50 feet cross-line laser line leveler has a 3-beam horizontal and vertical cross-line laser feature that produces a 50 feet laser line visibility. It doesn't matter the time of the day or condition. The potent red laser of the self-leveling laser level 50 feet cross-line laser line leveler is capable of producing high visibility when utilizing the device for your home renovation project. Self-leveling is possible using the self-leveling laser level 50 feet cross-line line leveler on an inclined plane over 4 degrees. When it reaches an out-of-level state, the laser flashes and gives an indication. It is to help you readjust the laser into the appropriate position. All these processes can be done easily with the self-leveling laser level 50 feet cross-line line leveler. The device's 3 laser level line consists of 2 models known as the lock model and unlock model. The 3 measurement modes you can get with these models include the cross laser line, horizontal laser line, and vertical laser line. It doesn't matter the indoor project you're handling with the self-leveling Laser Level 50 feet cross-line laser line leveler, you can rest assured that it will deliver excellent results according to your preference. The self-leveling Laser Level 50 feet cross-line laser line leveler is portable and easy to use. The bag made for the Laser Level is well structured and makes it easy for a user to carry the device conveniently. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.